Welcome, maths adventurers. Today, we are going to tackle a fun algebra problem with a touch of square roots. So grab your notebook and let's get started. So here is the problem. To solve for x, we have to remove the square root from the left-hand side. And this is how to go about it. So we say solution, the square root of x plus 3, which is equal to x minus 1. So you take square and square. So this square cancel this square root. And we have a new equation as x plus 3, which is equal to x minus 1, x minus 1. So from here, we can easily say x plus 3 is equal to, you multiply this to this, we have x squared, x times minus 1, we have minus x, and this times this give us minus x, minus 1 times minus 1 give us plus 1. So we have x plus 3 to be equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1. So from here, we can take like terms by subtracting x plus 3 from both sides as x plus 3 minus x minus 3 to be equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 3. So from here, we can have a new equation by equating everything to be equal to 0 as therefore x squared minus 3x minus 2, which is equal to 0 as everything here becomes 0. So we have this to be x squared minus 2x minus s is minus 3x and plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2, which everything here becomes 0. So we have a quadratic equation. So to factor this, we have to look for two numbers that will multiply together to get minus 2 and the same number will add them together to get minus 3. Unfortunately, we have no number of such as there is no factor for this equation. So we're going to employ the quadratic formula, which is called the almighty formula. So this will be x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, whereby this coefficient becomes a, b, c. So we can easily say that everything here will now becomes x is equal to, which is minus b. So this is minus 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is minus 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 2. So we have minus 2. So everything here divided by 2 times 1, which is 2a. So we have x to be equals to minus times minus is 3. So this becomes 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. Minus times minus is plus. So this is plus 8 because 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. Everything divided by 2. So we have x to be equals to 3 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 2. So this automatically becomes the answer. We can split it by saying x is equal to 3 plus root 17 over 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 over 2. So this will be the answer. If you have learned one or two things from this solution, make sure you click on the subscription button and follow us. Make sure you like this video and see you in my next video. Bye.